We do our lives. Once we get to 50 subscribers here, we'll be able to do the same here. But the way I do it a lot of times is we'll go down here to some of these storms. Like, let's use this one, this northeast or west here of Clovis. But let's also do this here real quickly. Okay, no tornado possible, but let's say there was a tornado possible in this storm. And then I would go to a single site radar. And then we get the actual radar here. The one that, okay. And we start seeing like colors get close together. We have to kind of keep our eye on it. Right here, I'm not concerned. Now, if this right here was severe, I'd be more concerned about this than I am of this right now. So that's kind of how I do it. But let's look at today's weather right now. Besides this, we still have that level 1 risk from Mexico all the way up here to Cheyenne, Fort Collins, Denver, Lamar. Also, east of Miles City, up toward Grand Forks, Williston. But we also have that slight risk of severe weather with a severe thunderstorm watch just north here of Cheyenne, including Rapid City, up here to Minot, Bismarck. And then also, we got a marginal risk, level 1, Austin, Conroe, Alexandra, over here to El Dorado, Texarkana, Texarkana over here to Cleburne. And got a few special weather statements, but nothing severe at this time with that one. But then from Americus, Georgia, over here to Troy, to Crestview, to Port St. Joe, Tallahassee, Bainbridge, Valdosta, Jacksonville, Gainesville, Daytona Beach, Orlando, Palm Bay, Port St. Lucie, and West Palm Beach. We do have that level 1 severe risk. Now let's look at the tornado risk for today. It is there from Alpine, Fort Stockton, Van Horn, Roswell, up here to Clovis, up here to Dumas, are included in that tornado risk. Double check. And also, I don't know why it's not, okay, there it is. Up here toward Denver, Cheyenne, Rapid City, up here to Bismarck, you're in it at 2%, but then Rapid City, you're in a 5% tornado risk today. Also, for tomorrow, we got from Dumas up here to Phoenix Falls to east of Cheyenne, up here toward Bernard, up here towards Grand Forks. You got level 1 risk. Prairie, Brookings, Watertown, Aberdeen, Grand Forks, Fargo, level 2 severe risk for tomorrow. And that's all the severe risk for tomorrow. And then let's see if we got any tornado risk for that with that tomorrow. Yeah, Aberdeen up here toward just after Fargo here, over toward Watertown. Get that 2% tornado risk tomorrow. And then on Thursday, Watertown, Aberdeen, Rapid City, you're included in that level 2 risk of severe weather again. Over here to O'Neill, Hot Springs is included, just east of Lusk. But then we got that level 1 risk from Marquette up here to Mason City, Lincoln, Omaha, Lexington, up here to Miles City, Jordan. And then, yep, that's our only severe risk area on Thursday. So also just want to let y'all know, do take this weather very serious here. Try to keep it very, very updated. Also, we got a 50% chance of tropical development right off the coast here of Central America. 50% on the Pacific side, 0% the next 2 days. Of course, our little storm out here that we was talking about this morning, we got a tropical depression out of this one that's up here close to Hawaii, but it's not going to get nowhere near there. It looks like it's going to go up a little ways and then start diving and weakening. So that's a good thing. Nothing crazy happening with that, which is great news. But of course, we're in hurricane season. Expect to see a lot more probably form. But, you know, we take it very serious and keep it as accurate as possible here. So I do work a full-time job on top of this. So I try to get at least 7 hours of lives a week. That's what I go for, if not more. So if y'all have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Also, please hit that like button. Definitely send a comment and definitely hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody here, and I appreciate everybody every time. So y'all have a wonderful day, and thank y'all so much for watching.